Hello friends, when you get this error message replace ink on your brother device, in this case it is MFC-J2330 model, you have to replace the cartridge which is mentioned here. So now I will show you how to replace them. In our case, the magenta has to be replaced. Open the cover of the cartridges, then push down this lever and it will pop out the old cartridge. I have old new cartridge. Open it. And slide it into its hole, push a little and close the door. And now everything is okay, there is no more error message. Let me show you. And the magenta is full. So that's it. Thank you very much. Good luck.